If something's gone wrong at work and you're not sure if you've got a claim, watch this video and follow the steps. 1, you need to send us any correspondence that you have and a synopsis of exactly what's happened. We can then notify your insurers. Step 2, please don't admit liability because this would prejudice yours and insurer's position. Step 3, please do not make any settlement offers. 4, please do not instruct your own solicitors because this could prejudice yours and insurer's position. So the next step would be that we would notify your insurers. Your insurers would then look to see if this is something that's covered, and then we'd look to appoint, if need be, solicitors on your behalf to deal with the matter. I think the most important thing a customer needs to know is they need to have all the information ready. Superscript are your broker, so they deal with the claim on your behalf and they're the ones that look after you. The insurer is the one that pays the claim out.